Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you're coming back, welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe, and like this video. Thank you. So in this video, I am going to be doing a get ready with me / a makeup tutorial. A little disclaimer, I am not a makeup artist, a professional makeup artist. This is basically how I do my makeup. Okay? I haven't said that. As you can see, I already did my brows and I am going in with the Tarte Hydrating Primer. For this video, I'm going to be using two different primers. And the second one is going to be the e.l.f. Poreless Primer. So next, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Setting Spray just to prep my face. I'm going to let that settle and use the LA Girl Pro Concealer as the base for my eyeshadow. And that's in medium beige. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set my concealer. And after that, I'm going to be using the Maybelline palette, Maybelline's the Nudes palette. And I'll be using that color that shoots in and applying that in my brow bone. Yeah, right there. So right now I'm using a very light shade of pink. I don't know why I'm not showing the color right now, but you guys are gonna see it eventually. And all I'm doing is just applying that into my crease, okay? Next, I'm going to be going in with another shade of pink that is a little bit darker than the first one I had already used. I don't know if that makes sense. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. Next, I'm going to be using a more darker shade of pink that is darker than the second one that I already used. Don't worry guys, it's gonna make sense. It's all going to make sense once I show you the colors. Oh yeah, there we go. So that's what I'm talking about right there. That's the first one I went in with. That's the second, and that's the third one, which I'm also going to be going in with right now. Just to let you guys know, I got the eyeshadow palette from a beauty supply store, which I am so much in love with the colors. I love them so much. Yeah, I just wanted to put that out there. Next, I'm going to be going with those two purple shades. And I'm just going to be applying them right there. If you've noticed, I've been using one single brush for all the applications that I've been doing. However, as I go in with the individual colors, I make sure to wipe them off before going to the next color. So what I'm doing right now is using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in medium beige to kind of cut my crease. I'm not completely cutting the crease, but you know, that little portion right there. And the reason why I'm doing that is is because I want the color that I'm going to be putting on there to be more prominent. Now I'm going in with the lightest shade of pink. I'm just applying that on the little part that I cut out. Now I'm using the medium blender brush from Vanity Planet. And I'm just using that to clean up a little and just blending the eyeshadows. Just blending all the colors together. And now I'm going in with a purple and a black color. Both of them together, those colors. And I am applying those right there. Next, I'm going to be applying my e.l.f. eyeliner, which I already did. And I'll be applying my foundation next. So next I'm going to be applying the same concealer that I've been using since the beginning of this video, which is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in medium beige. I'm going to be using that to highlight. So I don't know about you guys, but I just love how the application of highlight transforms the face. Like, it just takes the makeup to the next level. Like, guys, look at this. Like, now I'm using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set my highlight. Next, I'm going to be using the Beauty Crop bronzer to contour my face. So now I'm going to be brushing off the setting powder that I left on my highlight. Now I'm moving on to contouring my nose. Next, I'm using this highlighter that I got from H&M. Yeah, H&M a long time ago. And I'm just applying that on the bridge of my nose. Next, I'm going to be applying the blush from this Clinique palette. Next, I'm going to be applying some highlights on my cheekbones, my zygomatic bones. Period. Now I'm using the Maybelline Sensational Mascara to apply some mascara on my lashes. By the end of this video, you guys are going to notice that I didn't even attempt to apply falsies, like false eyelashes. I just feel like, although I love it, I love how it brings the makeup together, but I just feel like it's not my calling, guys. I struggle with lashes, with applying lashes. Let's just leave it at that. Now I'm going in with those two colors that I'm pointing at, and I'm just going to be applying those in my, let me see, lower lash line. Yes. Now I'm going in with those two colors that I'm also pointing at, and I'm going to be applying those in the inner corner of my eyes. So next, I'm going to be using the lip liner to line my lips. Now I'm going to be using this Call of Honor eyeliner to line my waterline. I think that's what they call it. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to be doing, just to line it like so. Yeah. Now to my favorite part. I'm going to be using the Body Talk by Toy matte lipstick in Toy Titans. Guys, you know I have to represent because I love her so much. I love her. She is my favorite actor ever. Like, she's just so humble, and I don't know, I just love her so much. She's so humble and nice and sweet, you know. And she's also a very good actress. Next, I'm going to be using my MAC Studio Fix powder, and I'm just going to be dabbing that all over my face just to set it. After that, I'm going to be applying some highlight on my collarbones. And then use the L'Oreal Infallible Setting Spray to set my makeup, like spray it all over my makeup to keep it intact. So going back to the lipstick, usually when I apply matte lipstick, I make sure to moisturize my lips in the beginning of the makeup process before I actually apply the lipstick on my lips. But for this video, I didn't, and it got a little dry for me. Even though it's not on this clip, I eventually added lip gloss on top of the matte lipstick, which also really looks good. Don't get me wrong, I love it the way it is right now. But if I had moisturized my lip prior to applying it, I would have just left it this way. But because I didn't, I just had to apply lip gloss, which also looks good. And it also shows how versatile the lipstick is, which is you can wear it as a matte and you can wear it shiny. Like, you can apply lip gloss if you choose to. Yeah. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for making it to the end of this video. Okay.
Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and thank you for joining me, basically. And I'll see you in my next video.
She can't make it today. So, how you guys doing? You guys should subscribe to her YouTube channel. So give it a thumbs up, not thumbs down, but thumbs up.